Hi cellos, this is the how to tune in music first video. So first you're going to get to your music first and then you will log in with your username and your password that you should have done in the last class. Once you are in music first, you're going to go up to this part of the window where it says software. Click on that. And then find practice first. Click on practice first and it will take you to this window. Once you are in practice first, it doesn't really matter what it says over here or over here. You just need to pick some music. So I'll just pick the first thing, pick the first thing again. And then over here, we have all kinds of choices. Click on more and then tuner. Now, the goal is that we see the name of the string we're trying to tune. The triangle is right under the circle and the circle is red. Now, we want to make sure that, like for the A string, it only says A. There's not a sharp sign or a flat sign or anything else with it. So once you're here, you're going to play your A string first. Now the triangle was way over here. It said A here, so that's good. But the triangle was way over here. That means that my note was too low. So I'm going to go down to my fine tuner here, my A string fine tuner. I'm going to turn it that way. And it was pretty low, so I'm going to turn it like 3 big turns and then play again. Now it's ending up right about in here, so still a little low. I'm going to turn it the same direction, but less times. Close, but that triangle is not as much under the circle as I'd like, so maybe half a turn. There we go. So now I'm going to move on to the D string. Same idea. Play it first, see what we're looking at, and then adjust. E flat. So I'm not even on the right note. E flat is higher than D, so I'm going to need to now take that D fine tuner, that next one in, and I'm going to turn it the opposite direction, that away. And like 4 or 5 big turns because it wasn't even on the note D. Now it's saying D, but the triangle is way over here. So I need to keep turning that same direction, make it a little bit lower. Getting closer. There we go. It says D, the circle is red, and the triangle is right under the circle. So now I'm going to move on to the G string. So it says G, we're close, but it is a little bit low. So I'm going to turn that way a little bit. Turn it again. Still not quite there. There we go. Now I'll end with my C string. So that one is a little bit high. It's just a little bit over here. So I'm going to turn it the other way. There we go. Now, if you're tuning and you're not sure which way to turn, always, always, always turn it away from the cello. Make it lower first. If the note gets more out of tune, then you know you've got to go back the other way. All right, cellos, happy tuning.